Monster Jam truck here, and we're going to be building my favorite one, El Toro Loco here. And this is what it looks like. And then once we built it, I'm also going to show you how to convert it into this alternate El Toro Loco ice paint scheme. So let's get right into the build here. So to start off, come wherever you want the center of your truck to be, put down a temporary block. On the upper hitbox of it, we're going to crouch, and we're going to put a line of 8 dark oak trapdoors coming across. Then we can take out the temporary block. Then we're going to crouch and put a chiseled polished blackstone on this end and on that end there. Then we're going to take out polished blackstone slabs, and we're going to put a slab on the upper hitbox of each side of this block. And then same thing back here. Then we're going to move down on the ground, 1 block over aligned with this, and put 2 polished blackstone brick blocks, 2 here. Same thing up here, 2 here, and 2 here. Then we'll take polished blackstone brick stairs, 2 stairs upside down like this, on all 4 of these. And this is going to make the base of our tires. And then 2 upside down stairs on the other side as well. On all 4 of these. And I missed these 2 there. Then take out an orange shulker box. And that's going to be the wheel hub. And we're going to put a sideways shulker box here, here, and then same thing on this side, here, and here. Then on either side of the shulker box, 2 polished blackstone brick blocks on all 4 of these wheels. Just like this. Then we'll come through with right side up stairs, 2 stairs here, 2 here. Do the same thing for the back wheels. Then turn around and get the other side on each wheel. Then finally 2 polished blackstone brick blocks on the top center of each of the 4 wheels here. Just like that. Then we're going to take lightning rods, put 2 here, and 2 here. Then in the center we're going to crouch and put 2 netherite blocks. Then on the sides of each netherite block we'll put 2 levers going upwards and 2 on this side. Then come wherever the back end of your truck is, stand on the rear end. Above the netherite we're going to put 2 sideways blast furnaces, a smoker, and then finally a hopper. And this is the main part of the engine here. Now come down right here, put 3 dark oak trapdoors. Come to the front and put 3 across this end as well. Then come on top, crouch, and we're going to put a vertical lightning rod on either side of the trapdoors. And same thing back here. Then we'll take out a polished blackstone slab here, put 1 on the center here, and 1 on the center here. Then take out nether brick vents, start on the side here, and put a full row coming up the side on this top layer. Stop above this front axle. Do the same thing on this side, a full row of nether brick fences. Then we'll come down underneath it here, and we're going to go in and grab a polished deep slate wall. And we're going to put a single wall behind the bottom of the engine here. Same thing on this side, a single wall right here. And now the base of our truck is done. Come on top of the truck on the front and put an orange concrete in the center above this axle. Then 3 forward facing acacia stairs like this on the very front. Then we'll swing around behind here and we're actually going to put a second orange concrete on the center behind it. Come on top and put 3 acacia trapdoors facing this way. Now grab an acacia sign and we're going to use that for the whiskers on the front. So on one side of these stairs, put an acacia sign here. And we need to skip down to the bottom line of the sign. So the 4th line down here. And then fill the bottom with a full row of quotation marks. Then once that side's done, we're going to put another sign on the opposite side. And same thing, we need to get down on the bottom line and fill it with a full row of quotation marks. Then in the center, we'll put another sign. And we need to get on the bottom 2 rows of this sign. And we're going to do 2 full lines of number signs here. And that represents all the whiskers on the front. Then we'll do the teeth, so come up back here, put an upside down backward facing quartz stair on either side, turn around in an upside down forward facing quartz stair on either side. Then we're actually going to take off this back trapdoor, put 3 black glass across the top of this. Then behind that, 2 yellow concrete on either side. Then we're going to put 2 acacia signs on the side of the yellow concrete. And same thing on this side, 2 signs over here. Then in this middle, we'll put a dark oak fentscape for a steering wheel, turn around in a stair for a seat. And actually, I miscalculated where this window goes. So take this glass off, put an acacia trapdoor back in the middle here, and the 3 black glass comes across right here. Then bury behind this 3 orange concrete and an orange concrete on top of each side. Then behind that, 2 orange concrete on bottom of each side. Behind that, an upside down acacia stair facing this way. Then put on a temporary block back here and 3 upside down stairs facing forward across the back. Then up here, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate on either side and then a lever going into it on each side. Then crouch and put 2 anvils here for the top of the engine. And then finally, we need to grab iron trapdoors and get an iron trapdoor on the top of each anvil to finish off the engine. Now come on the back with acacia sign. Put a sign on the left here with L, a sign in the middle with Toro, and a sign on the right with Loco. Then we're going to hit all 3 of those signs with yellow dye and then glow ink sac. Then we're going to come on the side here, and on this strip where there's the 3 orange concrete, we'll do the same thing. So a sign with L, a sign with Toro, and a sign with Loco. Then hit all 3 of those with yellow dye and a glow ink sac. And finally we do it on the other side as well here. So a sign here with L, another sign with Toro, another sign with Loco. Then hit those with yellow dye and a glow ink sac. Next, we're going to get orange carpet here, and we're going to come over on top of the back, and we're going to cover these stairs back here with a C shape of orange carpet. Then up here, we're going to put an end stone brick slab on either side and an acacia slab in the center. Then we need acacia trapdoors. We need 1 on each side like this, crouch, and 1 in the middle. Then we're going to cover the top of this with 2 rows of orange carpet. Then 3 orange carpet on either side of the nose up here. Then take end stone brick wall. For the horns, we're going to put 2 here, 2 on this other side. Then we're going to put 2 temporary blocks, take out the center one, and put a lightning rod facing this way, take out the temporary block. Then we repeat the process on this side, and this gets the tips of the horns facing the right way. And now the horns are done, and the truck itself is complete. So this is what the build for the regular standard paint scheme El Toro Loco monster truck looks like here. Now I'm going to show you how to convert it into the alternate El Toro Loco ice paint scheme. So I've copied another one in here for the purposes of the conversion. So, we're going to come on here, and the first thing we're going to do is take out these trapdoors and these two orange concretes. Replace the two with blue concrete. Then take out all this carpet on the nose and these three stairs. Cover the front with prismarine brick stairs. Then 3 warp trapdoors here, 3 blue carpet on either side. It's basically a color swap. Then a warp sign here, get down to the very bottom, and do a full line of quotation marks for the whiskers. Then same thing on the other side, a warp sign, get down to the bottom, and a full line of quotation marks. Then in the center, we get to the bottom 2 lines, and we do 2 full lines of number signs. Next, we'll come through here in the wheels and knock out these orange shulker boxes and replace them with sideways blue shulker boxes on all 4 wheels. Then we'll come up top here, take out this orange carpet and these 3 trapdoors. Change the trapdoors to warp trapdoors, and then recover the top with 2 rows of blue carpet here. Take out this slab, and we're going to grab a warp slab here and put a warp slab in the center. Then take out the outer 2 slabs, replace them with prismarine brick slabs. Then change these 2 walls to prismarine walls on each side. Then we're going to come down here, change the 2 yellow concrete to diamond block. Same thing on this side. Then we'll come back in here and we're going to change all of this orange concrete to blue concrete. Same thing on this other side. Change all this orange concrete to blue. Then we're going to do an upside down prismarine brick stair on either side here. And then get 3 upside down prismarine brick stairs facing forward across the back here. Now replace the lever on each side here and here. Then cover the back of these stairs with a C shape of blue carpet. Come back here with a warp sign on the left, put L, sign in the middle with Toro, sign on the right with Loco. Then we're going to hit these ones with light blue dye and a glow ink sac. Then the same thing here on this blue concrete, a sign with L, a sign with Toro, and a sign with Loco. Hit those with light blue dye and a glow ink sac. Then 2 blank warp signs on the side of these diamond blocks. We'll do the same thing on this side. So 2 blank warp signs on the diamond blocks. Then right here, a sign with L, a sign with Toro, and a sign with Loco. Then hit those 3 with light blue dye and a glow ink sac here. Then finally we'll come up here and we'll change the tips of these horns to end rods, just so the color matches the truck a little bit better here. So that's how we convert it to the alternate Toro Loco Ice paint scheme here. So there we have it, folks. This completes our tutorial for the Monster Jam El Toro Loco Monster Truck and El Toro Loco Ice conversion. I hope you enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week.